Welcome to the second session of your grammar class. Last time we had begun with the chapter The Sentence. I hope you all must be remembering what we have studied in the previous class, right? Yes, because you have got a lot of time to study at home. But still then, let's brush up, let's recapitulate what we had done in the previous class. Let's see. Okay. So first, we have studied about a word, right? Do you remember? A single word. Then we had studied about group of words, and then we had come to the sentence. Okay? With the help of word and group of word, we had framed sentence. And a sentence is a group of word that gives us a complete sense. There is an ink pot on the table. Does it give us a complete sense or not? Yes, it gives us a complete sense. After that, we had studied about essentialities in a sentence. That means, what are the necessary things required in a sentence? First, we had studied capital letter, then full stop, question mark, and then exclamation mark. These are nothing but all punctuation marks which are necessary while writing a sentence. A sentence has to begin with a capital letter, and depending upon the type of sentence that we are writing, we have to give this three different punctuation marks. Then we have studied about the jumbled words, in which words are given to you. You have to rearrange them to frame a meaningful sentence. Like, love I ice cream to eat. What is the correct sentence when rearranged? I love to eat ice cream. In park are children playing the? And the answer is, after rearranging, the children are playing in the park. So these are the things that we have studied in the previous class. Now just today we are going to read about a new topic, that is dash. Okay. Now what is that dash? You have to fill it up. Okay. But before that, I will give you something. You have to identify and tell me actually what they are, because they will tell you what we are going to study. Okay. Now identify these sentences. Some sentences are given to you. You have to read them and tell me what actually they are. No doubt they are sentences, but what are they? What is the difference in that sentence? That you have to tell me. The words are flying very high in the sky. Full stop. Where are you going? Question mark. How lovely was the picture? Exclamatory mark. Clean your room. Full stop. Do you want a glass of water? Question mark. My sister is going to school. Full stop. Give me my notebook. Full stop. Hooray! Exclamation mark. We won the match. Full stop. Now what are they? They are different kinds of sentences with different kinds of punctuation mark. Somewhere there is a full stop, somewhere there is a question mark, or somewhere there is an exclamatory mark. So what do they tell us? They tell us that it is nothing but they are different kinds of sentences. Now see, what are the different kinds of sentences? The different types or different kinds of sentences are statement or declarative sentence, question or interrogative sentence, command or imperative sentence, exclamation or exclamatory sentences. These are the four different kinds of sentences that we are going to study today. Okay, the first one we studied is statement or declarative sentence. What is statement or what is a declarative statement? It is only a sentence that we openly say. There is nothing hidden in it. We simply declare, I am going to the temple. My school is closed today. My papa will take me to a movie. Okay, these are all statements or declarative sentences. Coming to the next is question or interrogative sentences. When somebody asks you a question, have you taken your lunch? When are you going to go to a hill station? When will you sit with your books? These are nothing but some questions or interrogative sentences. Third, we come to command or imperative sentences. Now, the word is command, but it also includes advice and request. So, together they are known as imperative sentences. When we give a command to somebody, when we request or we give an advice, they all come under this imperative sentence or command. Give me a glass of water. Please open the door. Can you bring the book for me? These are what? Different kinds of commands, advice, or requests that we make to somebody. They come under command or imperative sentence. Finally, we come to exclamation or exclamatory sentence. This is a new kind of a sentence for you. In this, we exclaim our sudden feeling or emotions. Right? We are very happy, we are very sad. When we say that, that is called we exclaim it. And we use an exclamatory mark over there. A line, below that a dot. I hope in the previous class I have said and you all remember that. Yes? Okay. So these 4 different kinds of sentences: statement or declarative sentence, question or interrogative sentence, command or imperative, and finally exclamation or exclamatory sentences. These 4 things we have studied today. You have to remember them and try at home different kinds of sentences under this heading. Okay, that will help you remember the thing better. Let's see some examples. Here are some sentences given to you. You have to identify which kind of sentence they are. Right? Number 1. Her clothes are very dirty. Come on children, tell. Which kind of a sentence is this? It is a statement, or we can say it is a declarative sentence. Then next one, stand near the door. It's a command. So, command or imperative sentence. What a beautiful butterfly. This is an exclamatory sentence. Next one, when will you return your book? You see at the end we have a question mark. So, what is it? It is a question or interrogative sentence. Then we have the war is over. Simply declaring there is no war. It has come to peace. So this is a declarative sentence or statement. Then the color of the car is awesome. Do you know children what is awesome? Very beautiful, fantastic. Okay. Those are all the synonyms of the word. Same meaning words, right? The color of the car is awesome. That means it is a statement because we are simply telling it, declaring it. And last one is, do you want a chocolate? Do you want? All of you need a chocolate, isn't it? Holiday times are going on. Huh? Okay. Now what is this? It is a question because at the end we have a question mark. Okay. So today we learned about different kinds of sentences. I hope all of you have understood. If at all you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. But go through your books and try to find out, go through the topic, and using your study notes, try to solve the questions given under C and D. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Until then, stay home, stay safe.